To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Navigate to your direct messages by selecting the paper plane icon or the messenger icon located in the upper right corner. Find the chat you wish to pin, then tap and hold it. From the pop-up menu, select Pin. The pinned chat will now appear at the top of your inbox with a pin icon, indicating it's been successfully pinned. When you pin a second chat, it will move to the top of your inbox, while the previously pinned chat will shift just below it. You can pin a maximum of 3 conversations at once. To unpin a conversation, simply tap and hold the pinned chat. Then choose Unpin from the menu. The conversation will be unpinned, and move back to its original position in the chat list, sorted by the time of the last message. Pinning conversations keeps your most important chats easily accessible at the top of your list. And that's how you can easily pin and unpin chat conversations on Instagram.